When Marie Antoinette said let them eat cake, she probably didn't mean those mini jelly logs. Still, in the realm of treats for the sweet tooth, snack cakes have been revolutionary. They're just the right size for a quick snack and individually wrapped to stay fresh. Veteran snackers will recognize this as a jelly log, a sponge cake rolled up with jam and a creamy filling. First, the factory bakes the sponge cake. It comes out of the oven in continuous strips. Those moving arms align the strips to receive the fillings. One machine then does it all. First, it deposits an even layer of cream filling, then blobs of strawberry jam. Now, the rolling begins. One side of the cake strip runs against a metal guide. This lifts and folds over the edge. Then the cake strips run against a second guide, which rolls it over some more. Now the machine cuts the continuous strip into separate cakes. Then an automated roller completes the logs. The jelly logs go onto a conveyor belt that positions them closer together, aligning them for the next phases of production. They travel through a waterfall of strawberry-flavored syrup. This sticky coating acts as a tasty glue to adhere the shredded coconut that showers them next. The conveyor belt shakes off the excess, which, like the excess strawberry syrup before, gets fed through the machine again. Now, if all this doesn't have your sweet tooth tingling yet, the next snack cake will. It's a chocolate cream cake covered in a chocolate coating. Production begins in the mixer, where they combine eggs, a vegetable oil mixture, flour, sugar, water, glucose, a liquid sweetener, and cocoa powder. The mixture blends the ingredients at high speed for 1 minute. Then it pumps the batter to a machine called the automated depositor, which squirts the batter into cake molds. The conveyor belt transports the mold pans to the oven. Batter bakes for 7 minutes. To achieve just the right texture, there's a very specific heating pattern. Once the pans exit the oven, a robot flips the cakes upside down onto a conveyor belt. It stacks the empty mold pans onto another conveyor that sends them back for more batter. Now, the cakes flip right side up onto a wire conveyor belt. Air circulating between the wires cools the cakes. The next machine aligns the cakes in position for the next phases of production. First, thin blades saw the cakes in half. Then, suction tubes remove the tops and place them next to the bottoms. Next, the machine drops a portion of cream filling on each bottom. The cream is about the consistency of margarine. As the feeder tube above each cake delivers it, a wire cutter splices off a piece about 1/4 inch thick. Then the suction tubes put the tops back on. Now the cakes pass through a shower of hot chocolate-flavored liquid. This coats the top and sides. At the same time, the cakes travel through a bath of the liquid. This coats the underside. Air jets blow off the excess. The cakes pass through a cooling tunnel. This hardens the chocolate-flavored coating. Then it's off to the packaging department. The cakes file into a sheet of polypropylene film. The machine seals, then cuts the film between each cake. This keeps each one fresh until snack time.